Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Subaru Impreza clutch. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a transmission jack and a reliable torque wrench. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery's negative terminal. Then, carefully lift your vehicle and secure it firmly on sturdy jack stands. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement process, setting the foundation for the work ahead. Next, we'll focus on removing the old clutch. Begin by completely draining the transmission fluid into a suitable container. Then, disconnect the drive shaft and the shift linkage, ensuring all connections are free. With these components detached, carefully support the transmission and unbolt it from the engine. This step requires patience and precision to avoid damaging surrounding parts, preparing the way for the new clutch. Now it's time to install your new clutch. Start by thoroughly cleaning the flywheel surface to ensure optimal contact. Next, install the new pilot bearing and the throw-out bearing, applying a thin layer of grease where specified. Carefully align the new clutch disc and pressure plate using an alignment tool. This precise alignment is critical for proper clutch operation and a smooth driving experience. Finally, we'll reassemble everything and perform essential checks. Carefully reinstall the transmission, ensuring all bolts are torqued to specification. Reconnect the drive shaft, shift linkage, and any other components you removed. Refill the transmission with the correct type and amount of fluid. Before driving, test the clutch pedal for proper engagement and disengagement. This final check ensures your new clutch is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.